Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at the euro. You can see we shot higher during the day, and at one point we're grinding above the 110 level, but this has gotten pretty interesting. Later in the day, you can see just how much we gave back. While I wouldn't necessarily say this is an ominous sign, it does suggest that we are overbought. Not a huge surprise if you just take a look at the last couple of weeks. You can say the same thing about pretty much everything against the dollar. So, looking at the dollar against the euro, what do we've got? We've got a nice channel going higher, so I wouldn't be surprised at all to see the market test 109.25 or so. I'm going to pull back the 50 EMA on the 4-hour chart, and then 108.50-ish, 108.40, somewhere in that area should be support. Right now, it's only a matter of trying to find value. That seems to be the theme around the markets today. US dollar sold off, and then a little later on, people started to question, is it really the end of the US dollar? So we'll have to wait and see. If we can break above the top of the range for the day, then I think the euro starts to take off towards 1.1250. Anything between now and then, I believe, will probably be more of a buy on the dips scenario, at least until we break down below 1.08. We break down below there, things could get rather ugly. This is going to be about interest rates, interest rate differentials, and the like, risk appetite. Furthermore, there are some other things to pay attention to. And it is possible that the market is starting to perhaps worry about the core PCE price index on Thursday. That's a big deal. The reason being is it's the Federal Reserve's main indicator. It's one of their favorite indicators as to what to do with monetary policy, and that's public knowledge. So I do think there's a little bit of that as well. A little overextension, a little profit taking. You got to look at it through the prism of somebody who may have gotten in on this breakout. You're 3.5 handles higher. Why not? 110's an obvious barrier, and it would be in the options markets as well. So a little bit of a pullback, looking for some support. Again, somewhere I would love to see 108.5, but probably somewhere closer to right around 109.25 or so. I suspect that we will see a bounce.